Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my presentation. Before starting my presentation for Meet, let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Nur Sintiawati Talani. Can you call me Sisi? Class SI 46, fourth semester student. On this occasion, I will present a presentation of the result of my group discussion about analyzing SPO, sentence translation, analyzing topic sentence, and main idea with the steps. Okay, start. One character of data is referred to in computing as a byte. One character of data is referred to in computing as a byte. Pasif. Satu karakter dari data disebut dalam komputasi sebagai bit. In the binary system, a number system that only use two digits, 1 and 0, used in computers, a byte is made up of 8 bits, where a bit is a 1 or a 0. In the binary system, a number system that only use two digits, 1 and 0, used in computer, active. Dalam sistem binar, sistem bilangan yang hanya menggunakan 2 digit, yaitu 1 dan 0, digunakan di komputer. A byte is made up of 8 bits, where a bit is a 1 or a 0, pasif. Bit terdiri dari 8 bit, di mana bit adalah 1 atau 0. When data is transmitted through a network system, it can be transmitted in different ways. Data is transmitted through a network system, pasif. Data ditransmisikan melalui sistem jaringan. Asynchronous transmission or stop-start transmission sends the data on byte or character at a time. Asynchronous transmission sends the data one byte at a time, aktif. Transmisi asinkron mengirimkan data 1 byte pada satu waktu. A start bit, a control bit, is added to indicate the beginning of each byte, and another control bit called stop bit is added to indicate the end of each bit. A start bit added to indicate the beginning of each byte, aktif. Bit awal ditambahkan untuk menunjukkan awal setiap byte. Stop bit is added to indicate the end of each bit, pasif. Stop bit ditambahkan untuk menunjukkan akhir setiap bit. Synchronous transmission sends the data in blocks. Synchronous transmission sends the data in blocks, aktif. Transmisi sinkron mengirimkan data dalam blok. Extra bits of data called sinch bits are added at the beginning and end of each block. Sinch bits are added at the beginning and end of each block, pasif. Bit sinkronisasi ditambahkan di awal dan akhir setiap blok. They are used to synchronize the sending and receiving device, pasif. Mereka digunakan untuk mensinkronkan perangkat pengirim dan penerima. When a message is transmitted through a network, it is processed in various by the software and the hardware. Message is transmitted through a network, pasif. Pesan dikirim melalui jaringan. It is processed in various ways by the software and the hardware, pasif. Itu diproses dengan berbagai cara perangkat lunak dan perangkat keras. It is first processed by the application program and email program, and then it is processed by the operation system. It is processed by the applications program, pasif. Itu diproses oleh program aplikasi. It is processed by the operation system, pasif. itu diproses oleh sistem operasi. It is then processed by the hardware, such as the network interface card, and finally by the network electronics router as it processes in reverse order to display the message on the display screen of the receiving computer. It is processed by the hardware, passive. Ini proses oleh perangkat keras. Next, analyzing topic sentence and main idea with steps. Topic sentence: one character of data is referred to computing as a byte in the binary system, a number system that only used two digits 1 and 0. Used in computers, a byte is made up of 8 bits where a bit is 1 or a 0. When data is transmitted through a network system, it can be transmitted in different ways. A set of instructions. It is then processed by the hardware such as the network interface card and finally by the network electronics router as a process in reference order to display the message on the display screen of the receiving computer. Main idea: one character of data is referred to computing as a byte in the binary system, a number system that only uses two digits 1 and 0. Used in the computer, a byte is made up of 8 bits where a bit is a 1 or 0. When data is transmitted through a network system, it can be transmitted in different ways. Words that are connected have a one character of data as a byte, transmit, a network system, 8 bits, a synchronous transmission, a network system, a start bit, synchronous transmission, control bit, stop bit, extra bit, sending and receiving device, a message, each block, network, application program, the hardware, the operation system to display the message. Okay, Don, and that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.